Welcome to PHP theory class. Today topic is list of reserved words, table of contents, list of keywords, predefined classes, predefined constants, list of other reserved words. The following is a list of predefined identifiers in PHP. None of the identifiers listed here should be used as identifiers in any of your scripts unless explicitly noted otherwise. This list include keywords and predefined variables, constant and class names. These lists are neither exhaustive nor complete. List of keywords. List of keywords. These words have special meaning in PHP. Some of them represent things which look like functions, some look like constants, and so on, but they are not really. They are language construct. The following words cannot be used as constants, class names, function or method names. They are however allowed as property, constant and method names of classes, interfaces and traits, except that class may not be used as constant name. PHP keywords. Halt, compiler, abstract and arrays, edge, break, callable, case, catch, class, clone, const, continue, declare, default, die, do, echo, else, ilsef, empty and declare, and for each, and if, and switch, and while, eval, exit, extends, final, finally, fn as of PHP 7.4, for each, function, global, go to, if, implements, include once, instance of, instead of, interface, is set, list, match as of PHP 8.0, namespace, new or print, private, protected, public, require once, return, static, switch, throw, trait, try, unset, use, var, while, xor, yield, yield from, compile time, constants, class, dir, file, function, line, method, namespace, trait. Predefined classes. This section lists standard predefined classes. Miscellaneous extensions define other classes which are described in their references. Standard defined classes. These classes are defined in the standard set of functions included in the PHP build directory created by dir, std class created by type cascading type created by type casting to object created by type casting to object. PHP incomplete class possibly created by unserialized exceptions, error exceptions, PHP user filter closure. The predefined find class closure is used for representing anonymous function generator. The predefined final class generator is used for representing generators. Arithmetic error, assertion error, division by zero error, throwable, parse error, type error, special classes. Following identifiers may not be used as a class name as they have special purpose. Self current class, static current class in runtime, parent class, user contributed nodes. Predefined constants, core predefined constants. These constants are defined by the PHP core. This includes PHP, the Zend engine and SAPI modules. PHP version string, the current PHP version as a string in major or minor and release extra notation. PHP major version int, the current PHP major version as an integer, e.g. int 5 from version 5.2.7 extra. PHP minor version int, the current PHP minor version as an integer, example int 2 from version 5.2.7 extra. PHP release version int, the current PHP release version as integer, example int 7 from version 5.2.7 extra. PHP version ID int, the current PHP version as an integer, useful for version comparisons, example int 50207 from version 5.2.7 extra. PHP extra version string, the current PHP extra version as a string, example extra from version 5.2.7 extra, often used by distribution vendor to indicate a package version. php.z ts int php debug int php max pathlane int the maximum length of file names including path supported by this build of PHP OS string. The operating system PHP was built for PHP OS family string. The operating system family PHP was built for one of the Windows BSD drawing Solaris, Linux or unknown, available as of PHP 7.2.0. PHP SAPI, SAPI string, the server API for this build of PHP. See also PHP SAPI name, PHP EOL string, the correct end of line symbol for this platform. PHP int max int, the largest integer supported in this build of PHP, usually int is 32-byte system and int in 64-byte systems. PHP int min int. The smallest integer supported in this build of PHP, usually int in 32-byte system and int in 64-byte systems, usually PHP int min, PHP int max, PHP in size int, the size of an integer in bytes in this build of PHP. PHP float dig int, number of decimal digits that can be rounded into a float and back without precision loss, available as of PHP 7.2.0. PHP float, epsilon float, smallest representable positive number x, so that x plus 1.0 not equal to 1.0 dot, available as of PHP 7.2.0. PHP float min float, smallest representable positive floating point number. If you need the smallest representable negative float point number, use PHP float max, available as of PHP 7.2.0. PHP float max float, largest representable floating point number, available as of PHP 7.2.0. Default include path string, peer install dir string, peer extension dir string, PHP extension dir string. The default directory where to look for dynamically loadable extension, unless overridden by extension dir, defaults to PHP prefix or PHP prefix ext on Windows. PHP prefix string, the value prefix was set to the configure on Windows. It is the value with prefix was set to at configure. PHP bin dir string, the value bin dir was set to a configure on Windows. It is the value with prefix was set to at configure. PHP binary string specifies the PHP binary path during script execution. PHP main dir string specifies where the main page were installed into PHP. libdir string, PHP data dir string, PHP sys conf dir string, PHP local state, PHP local state dir string, PHP config file path string, PHP config file scan dir string. PHP slib slib suffix string, the build platforms shared library suffix such as so, most, Unix or DIL Windows. PHP FD set size string, the maximum number of file descriptions for select system calls available as of PHP 7.1.0, error int, error reporting constant, warning int, error reporting constant, pulse int, error reporting constant, notice int, error reporting constant, core error int, error reporting constant, core warning int, core warning int, error reporting constant, compile error int, error reporting constant, compile warning int, error reporting constant, user error int, error reporting constant, user warning int, error reporting constant, user notice int, error reporting constant, recoverable error int, error reporting constant, deprecated in, error reporting constant, user deprecated int, error reporting constant, el int, error reporting constant, strict int, error reporting constant, compiler halt offset int, true bool C booleans, false bool C booleans, null C bool, PHP Windows event ctrl C int, a Windows ctrl plus C event available as of PHP 7.4.0, Windows only, PHP Windows event ctrl break int, Windows ctrl plus break event available as of PHP 7.4.0, Windows only. See also magic constants, standard predefined constant. All constant from core extensions are defined in PHP by default. See also magic constants. List of other reserved words. The following words cannot be used to names a class, interface or trait, and they are also prohibited from being used in namespaces. Reserved words: int, float, bool, string, true, false, null, void as of PHP 7.1, iterable, iterable as of PHP 7.1, object as of PHP 7.2. The following list of words have had soft reservation placed on them, whilst they may still be used as class, interface and trait names as well as in namespace. Usage of them is highly discouraged since they may be used in future version of PHP. Soft reserved words, resource mixed numeric. Thank you for watching this video.